Exposing the secrets of the tech industry. I will show you how to get the best tech education of your life. Hey, future tech leaders, welcome to a journey where your potential meets our expertise. Here at Scholars Education Network, enrollment is now open for a wide range of computer courses designed just for you. Whether you're diving into the essentials with Microsoft Office, exploring your creativity in graphic designing, building the next big website with our web development classes, or mastering the market with digital marketing, we have it all. And for those who love crunching numbers, our advanced Excel and Excel Data Analyst courses are tailor-made for you. But hey, let's not forget the young minds. Our junior program offers an amazing summer camp that makes learning fun and exciting for kids. All courses are led by experienced instructors, ready to guide you on your path to tech mastery. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and start your journey with Scholars Education Network. Your future in tech begins today.